Did you know quality can make or break a business? Today, we'll explore quality management systems. A good QMS ensures products meet customer expectations. It boosts efficiency and reduces errors. But what exactly is a QMS? A QMS is a formalized system documenting processes. It helps manage quality across an organization. A QMS consists of policies, procedures, and resources. So, how does a QMS work? Let's break it down into key steps. First is planning. Establish your quality goals and objectives. Next is implementation. This involves creating processes to meet those quality goals. Then comes checking. Regular assessments help monitor progress. Finally, act on your findings. Adjust processes to enhance quality continually. To illustrate, imagine a bakery. They set a quality goal for fresh bread. They implement a baking process to meet that goal. They check daily sales and customer feedback. If bread isn't selling well, they adjust recipes or baking times. In summary, a QMS is essential for quality assurance. It guides organizations in meeting customer expectations. By following the steps, businesses can improve continuously. Ready to enhance your quality management? Implement a QMS today. It will transform your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. In a world where competition is fierce, maintaining high quality is not merely an option but a necessity. A well-designed QMS allows businesses to establish a culture of continuous improvement, ensuring that every team member is aligned with the overall quality objectives. This collective commitment fosters innovation and responsiveness, vital for adapting to changing market demands. As we delve deeper into the components of a QMS, we must consider the roles of leadership and employee involvement. Leadership plays a pivotal role in setting the tone for quality standards, instilling a sense of purpose among staff. When everyone understands their contribution to overall quality, the organization can harness the full potential of its workforce, leading to remarkable outcomes. Furthermore, fostering a culture where employees feel empowered to provide feedback is crucial. This leads to better decision-making and stronger processes. Let's explore how organizations can integrate these principles into their QMS effectively. One key method is through regular training sessions that ensure everyone is well versed in the quality standards and processes. These sessions not only enhance skills but also encourage open discussions about potential improvements. Additionally, utilizing performance metrics helps in tracking progress and identifying areas requiring adjustment. Continuous communication regarding quality outcomes fosters a collaborative environment, where innovative ideas can flourish. Ultimately, when organizations prioritize training and communication within their QMS, they build a solid foundation for sustained quality excellence. This proactive approach equips teams to face challenges with confidence while striving for customer satisfaction at every turn. As we transition into the practical aspects of implementing a QMS, engagement from all levels within the organization becomes essential. Employees should feel motivated to share their insights and experiences regarding quality, as this collaborative effort can highlight diverse perspectives that drive improvement. In conclusion, establishing a quality management system is not merely a process. It is a transformative journey towards excellence that ensures an organization can meet customer expectations consistently. By embracing the principles and steps outlined, businesses can thrive in today's ever-evolving landscape.